Hello everybody. Yes, it's true. I don't know much about baking, okay? So what I have to do is watch the video and try to explain to you guys what ingredients Nicole is using and what she's doing with the ingredients. But don't worry, all of you guys will have the ingredients and the instructions on the screen so you can follow along. First, you're gonna have to get a bowl of something that looks like sand, but it's not dry sand. No, you have to get that watery sand, the kind that you find close to shore. Then you're gonna get 4 rectangles of butter. You're gonna follow it up with some flour. Okay, these are easy. Now, I don't have any idea what these 2 things are, but whatever they are, make sure that you tap the little cups. That way you can activate their magical powers. Get 2 eggs and hold them close to one another like they're magnets. After that, I guess you grab some discolored seaweed and follow that up with some delicious soy sauce. And lastly, you're gonna pick up some sprinkles, just so it all goes nicely together. Gordon Ramsay who? Okay, so here's what you do with the ingredients, okay? Listen closely. You take your butter, put it on a pan, on top of the stove obviously, then you're gonna swirl it around, as you usually do when you bake, right? Everyone knows that. Then you're gonna wait for it to bubble. You're gonna swish it around, right? Keep doing that. After a while, then I assume it'll turn white on its own. I don't think I missed a step here. Did I miss a step? No, we're good. Next, transfer your frothy butter into a bowl, just so you can clearly see it. After that, you're gonna take your wet sand and you're gonna mix it with the butter, okay? Just dump it on it. Then take your soy sauce and drop it right in the middle, okay? Right in the middle. Don't put it too far away. Mix it around, keep mixing until, Nicole stops mixing it in the video. You're gonna take your 2 magnetic eggs, hold them up to the camera, crack them one by one. Make sure you crack it on the side of the bowl. Then you're gonna take your little cone and you're gonna swirl that around really fast. Next, you're gonna get, I honestly forgot what this was, the flour, I think, and you're gonna put the salt in it, or it might be the sugar. Either way, so you're putting both ingredients in there. Then you're gonna get your discolored seaweed, and you're gonna mix them up to hide the fact that you actually bought discolored seaweed. You're gonna mix it good. Then you're gonna combine everything together in one huge bowl. What about the sprinkles though? Okay, so anyway, you keep mixing until I assume everything turns white. Or no, it's turning yellow. Okay, so until you can't see any more white. That makes more sense, because they're blondies. And yeah, you're just gonna keep mixing. Honestly, I feel like half of baking is just mixing, so I could probably do it. Then you finally get your sprinkles. I think Nicole forgot about those and I actually had to remind her. Then you're gonna mix everything together. At this point, you're feeling like a chemist. And you're just gonna keep mixing. And after that, you're gonna get, actually, that kind of looks like wet paper to me. I literally have no idea what that is. And it might be wet paper. It might not be, but I'm pretty sure it is just wet paper. So you're gonna grab that, get it a little damp, right? Run it through some water or just dunk it in a tub, bring it back out, put it on a square tray, and you're good to go. Hopefully none of the paper sticks to it, or maybe it's edible paper. So after that, you're gonna make sure you spread it around evenly to make sure that you get all of the corners to give it that nice, beautiful square shape. And you're just gonna keep pressing with your plastic spatula until you get tired. After that, you're gonna switch over to something that looks like a knife, but it doesn't look sharp. So it must be something else. It kind of looks like those straight razors that you see at the barber shop. You've got it so nice and even. Okay, just take a second and just look at that. Wow, we did that together. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. No, go ahead, you deserve it. It was all you. Oh, we're not finished. Okay, so you magically pull it out of some place that makes it look like that. I assume you bake it for some amount of time because this looks darker than what it used to. Okay, so once you've done that, you're all finished. You can cut it up now and just enjoy the fruits of your labor. And the fruits of my labor, because honestly, you literally could not have done this without me. If you like this video, leave a like below to let Nicole know that I did an exceptional job. Okay, I did a decent job, I think. Or leave me a comment below and let me know how well you think I did. Also, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel, but you also get to see new and delicious recipes every Saturday. And who knows, maybe I can teach you guys a little something on a future video. Until then, thanks for watching.